first. Ready? Here we go. Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Tonight I'm going to make you something very special. Yes, another dish that my mama used to make for me when I was a kid. We're going to make rigatoni al Pollo Bianco. That's rigatoni in a white chicken sauce. It's going to be fantastic. Okay, so let's go over our ingredients. We have extra virgin olive oil, a good quality rigatoni, kosher sea salt, crushed red pepper, black pepper, white wine, finely chopped carrots and celery, sliced mushrooms, minced garlic, fresh basil, fresh parsley, thyme, bay leaves, and I took one drumstick and one chicken breast and cubed it. Okay, so as you can see, our oil is starting to heat up here, and it's time to add the garlic. Not too much of it, just about 2 cloves. There you go, that's 2 minced cloves. Now what you want to do is make sure you don't burn the garlic, okay? You don't want to burn that garlic. Just let it sweat a little bit. Some people like to put in a whole piece, and you can do that if you want. I happen to love garlic, so I don't mind putting it in. As soon as it starts to brown, I'm going to go immediately with my carrots and celery. Put that all in. Keep it moving around. Let it sweat a little bit. Smell that. That smells great. And then in with the chicken. Make sure you wash your hands thoroughly after touching the chicken. Get that chicken moving around in there. Let it brown a little bit. Okay, chicken's starting to brown nicely. What I'm going to do now is add my wine. So I start with a 1/2 cup. There you go. Put a pinch of salt. Not too much. Black pepper. I'm going to put in our beautiful thyme. You can see the thyme is in here now. I'm going to put in a couple of bay leaves. And what you want to do with the bay leaves is crush them with your hands like this. Get the flavor out. Okay? Yeah, we'll fish them out later, but for right now we want them in here. Put in a little fresh parsley, a couple of beautiful basil leaves. Now we're going to leave it in here for about 30 minutes on a low setting. Okay, so now after about 5 minutes, I'm going to start to add my mushrooms. There they go. Look at how beautiful that looks. Okay, it has been 30 minutes. Ah, wow, what an aroma. Look how beautiful. So what I'm going to do now, my water is boiling. I've cleaned the spoon, I've sanitized the spoon. The water is boiling. We're going to take our pasta. Take our pasta and we're going to cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. We'll set a timer. So I'll taste it somewhere along the way. There, I've set the timer for 10 minutes. And you can occasionally stir it. We've already salted this water. So there's the pasta boiling. I always like to put a drop of olive oil into the water. Just so the pasta doesn't stick. Now I also made some chicken stock here that I'm going to add to our mixture here. And in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fish out our leaves now, okay? I want to fish them out. I like to leave a bay leaf, but I'll fish out the thyme. Okay, so the pasta is ready. I'm going to take it out. We're going to leave it a little al dente. It's going to cook the rest of the way into the sauce here. Add a little bit of this pasta water in here. I'm going to let it cook. Time for the juice of a lemon. This is a summer dish, so you want to keep it nice and summery. Now it's time for the pecorino romano. Be generous with the pecorino. We'll add a little bit more pecorino romano. Fresh parsley. Now, just before we taste it, got to give it that blessing of olive oil. It's time to taste this with Frank Gallo. But before we do that, we've got to put a little crushed red pepper on here. Rigatoni al Pollo Bianco. Rigatoni with white chicken sauce. Oh my God. Here it is. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Ready? Here we go. Guys, incredible. Absolutely incredible. Oh my God. That's how good it is. It's an oh my God. That's how good it is. Guys, I want to thank you so very much for watching this episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Rigatoni al Pollo Bianco, Mama Gallo style. I need you to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep on bringing you Mama Gallo's most beautiful recipes that I grew up with as a child. But most of all, I love you, Mama. 100 anni, salute!